MagCable is all about improving your life in the little ways. We wanted to add convenience and ease to your daily life. We thought about the data cable we use every day and how we could improve its efficiency. Then it came to us. The cable needed an overhaul. And the MagCable was born. MagCable is the first generation of smart charging. It makes plugging in your phone simple and distraction-free. No matter what your activity, the one-handed connection is effortless, so you can concentrate on what matters most. The cable is sleek and snaps to your device quickly. You can remove it with a simple snap by gripping the phone firmly and bending the cable to set it free. And when the lights go out, MagCable won't. Its power indicator light makes MagCable easy to find. You know when it's charging by how it breathes, fast when charging and slow when it's done. The plug protects your port so it remains dust-free, and that will prolong the life of your power connection. MagCable also features the world's first dual-mode charge. Mode 1 works like your current cord. It charges while it transmits data. Mode 2 bypasses data and it charges at twice the speed, so now you can charge your device faster than ever. And it's strong, so the connection stays tight. If you ever lose your phone in a hard-to-reach place, MagCable will help you retrieve it safely.
MagCable was created by the experienced creative team at Magic. After thousands of hours of testing, we discovered that size was an important requirement for both functional charging and attractive appearance. We found that a 14.9mm casing paired with a neodymium magnet was the right combination for a perfect fit. Along with the Globe Initiate Techniques fast charging switch, MagCable is the best cord available for the next generation of smart charging.
Introducing Futurista's Chimera 5-in-1 Ultra Versatile Cable with its multi-interchangeable interfaces that makes your life easier with just one cable. Charge your Android or Apple devices, cameras, headphones, and more by switching from Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB in a matter of seconds. Frustrated of seeing a bundle of mess? It's time to get rid of all the annoying cables. Whether you're studying in the library, chilling on a Saturday afternoon, listening to music while commuting, or just enjoying a cup of coffee while working. With its incredibly light form factor, super fast charging, this ultra versatile cable will get almost any job done. From charging your Android devices such as Samsung, Huawei, to Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, and iPod, or transferring data between devices either from your camera or smartphone. Out for a walk and this happens? Never let a dead battery stop you from enjoying your favorite music. Just take it out and plug it in and you're good to go. What's more, the USB-C on the other end allow you to charge and transfer data between any USB-C laptop like the latest MacBook. Time to say goodbye to your dongle. Is there anything this cable can't do? Oh, and did I mention phone-to-phone charging? Forgot your power bank? No worries! With Chimera, you will never have to worry again when you're out with your mates. For your sake, we made the cable so durable you won't have to worry about broken cables again. The only cable you will ever need, the Chimera cable. Back us today and help bring this project to life.
Why are these Type-C cables so not user-friendly? Your MacBook could easily fall off the table by accident. Vinpok Bolt makes charging easier. With quick release that's easier to plug and detached, it provides extra protection for your MacBooks. An instant connection can be made to charge your smartphone, speaker, switch, music player, and more. Bolt is small and exquisite. You can put it into your pocket and take it anywhere. This is a must for your USB-C devices.
Oh my God, girls! What? Johnny's going to be at the party. You have to go. You have to go like now. No, like or John. Wait, come on! Go. Take it back. Let's go. Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming. My phone's dead. I'll catch you later, girls. Okay? I need to charge it. You're there. Yes, of course. Yeah. Jesus Christ.
You cool? Here, take the anchor cable.
What is that?
Only the world's strongest cable. So, for the final test, let's see if our cable can withstand the forces beyond our planet. As you can see, our cables are harder, better, faster, stronger.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.